All right, so we'll start with the two salivary glands that you need. The two salivary glands that you need are the parotid gland here and the submandibular gland here. So the parotid gland is in front of the ear, submandibular back up here underneath the mandible. So I come over here, there's the esophagus, through from the mouth to the stomach. The stomach's broken into different regions. We have the cardia, which is this region right here where the esophagus comes in. The fundus, which is this sort of dome up at the top. The body of the stomach. And then after it makes this turn here, this is the pylorus. The lesser curvature is the curve up here between the stomach and the liver. The greater curvature, lateral side here, this long curve. We open the stomach up. On the inside, you can see the rugae, these lines on the inside. And then the pylorus, you can see this muscle right here sort of pinches this off, opens and closes to allow that semi-digested food forward in the small intestine. That muscle right there is the pyloric sphincter. Then we enter the small intestine. The small intestine is broken into segments. For our purposes, using this model, the duodenum, the first segment, is what's cut open right here. And inside the duodenum, we can see these lines. These are plicae, these circular ridges. And then we can see this little entrance right there for the gallbladder duct and the pancreatic duct. This is the duodenal papilla. Then, again, for our purposes with this model, the middle of the small intestine is the jejunum. And then the end down here is the ileum. And at the end of the ileum, we can see that it's cut open again. And the exit from the ileum into the large intestine right here is called the ileocecal valve. It's called the ileocecal valve because it's a junction between the ileum and this pouch right here, which is called the cecum. At the end of the cecum, we can see the appendix. And then the colon proper. So the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon. This model doesn't do a very good job of showing the sigmoid colon, which makes sort of an S shape that goes further back and then comes out here into the rectum. Here's our liver, gallbladder, pancreas. The pancreas has this sort of spine down the middle. That's the pancreatic duct. The liver, and we'll look at this liver, is broken into lobes. We have a right lobe and a left lobe divided into here by the falciform ligament in the front. Flip it over on the back, we can see the caudate lobe and the quadrate lobe. It's kind of a square. This ligament is the round ligament. There's our gallbladder. On top of the gallbladder, this duct that comes up and out of the gallbladder is called the cystic duct. These ducts that come out of the liver are called hepatic ducts. So one hepatic duct comes up here and meets the cystic duct. One hepatic duct goes over here and goes to the gallbladder. Both of these hepatic ducts, cystic duct, they come together into one tube here, and that one tube, which you see here again, exits the liver gallbladder area, comes down here. This is the common bile duct. And those are the terms for your digestive structures.